Time is something we all worry about because time and tide waits for no man. We complain that we don't have time for anything. We completely forget that we are living on borrowed time and we have to create time for whatever we want to do to forge ahead in life. The simple truth is, an inch of gold will not buy an inch of time. Welcome to BDNP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. In today's topic, we will look at how to tell the time in Nigerian Pidgin English. To kick off, we have to know some specific words and verbs to tell the time. The WH question, when and what, are quite crucial in telling the time in any language. In Nigerian Pidgin English, when is when, while what is waiting. For example, when will the movie start? When the film go start? What is the time? Two ways we can say that. Wetin be the time, or wetin the nack. The modal verb could cannot be easily discarded when asking for the time, and it means please in Nigerian Pidgin English, which means I beg, which make one sounds polite. For example, could you tell me what the time is, please? I beg, wetin be the time? We use the preposition at plus the word time when giving the time of a specific event. In English, in Nigerian Pidgin English, we use the preposition by plus time. The flight leaves at 10 p.m. The plane go leave by 10 p.m. The movie will start at 7 p.m. The film go start by 7 p.m. We use it is or it's to answer a question when someone asks for the time in English. In Nigerian Pidgin English, we use the marker na. What time is it, please? There are two forms of asking this question in Nigerian Pidgin English. I beg, wetin be the time? I beg, wetin the nack? It's 4 o'clock. Two ways to respond in Nigerian Pidgin English. Na for the nack. Na 4 o'clock. Now let's look at some additional words for telling the time in Nigerian Pidgin English. As long as you know the numbers in English, they are the same in Nigerian Pidgin English, so you don't have to worry about that. On the dot, sharp. I will see you by 5 p.m. sharp. I'll see you at 5 p.m. on the dot. Quarter, 15 or quarter, half past. 30 or half past. Meet me at 3:30. Meet me by 3:30. Noon. 12 for afternoon. Midnight. 12 for midnight. Adverbs of time: past, after, before, almost, soon, anytime, are all the same in both languages. Time flies. Time is of the essence. Peace is in. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.